So this video that I'm about to show you is Ryan from Raise the Colours. He was at Ramsgate Dock this weekend. Just look what he found when he was mooching around.
raisethecolours.org.uk. We're at Ramsgate. This is where we are. This is the harbour. This is the harbour. 1 border force, 2 border force, 3 border force. They're lying to us, guys. They're lying to us. And I've found out these, look, this is the undercover boats. And these are the ones, this company is picking them up. I'm gonna have to jump it. Hold this for me, I'm going on. Hold this. I need you to throw me this.
Attends, je viens.
Hello? Am I still on? Can you still hear me? Is everybody there? Can you still hear me? So these have come in last night. 1 boat, 2 boat, 3 boats, 4. There's the engines. These are the engines. These are the engines we found in Gravelines. Migrant clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look. All their clothes, shoes. The next boat, more dinghies, more clothes. Look. There's the fuel. There's the pumps. Who is supplying all of this? Who is supplying it? Look. Boots, men's shoes. Men's aftershave, men's coat, men's jeans. Just look, they've got sand on them still from France.